What you see here is a landing page I created for the one course. All the information is here, and usually if you click on the Get Instant Access or Get Started button, you will be redirected to the course page, and there you can sign up. Today I'm going to show you how to make this work in a way that if you click on Get Started, it will scroll down to the pricing plans, and if you click on Sign Up, it will add the product to the cart and redirect it to the checkout page. This way it will be easy for you to create the landing pages for the courses. And also it's going to be really easy for users to purchase your courses. So let's jump in. First thing we need to do, we need to create a course. I'm going to skip this part since I imagine you already have one. You need to have a WooCommerce, and you also need to have a Learndash WooCommerce integration plugin installed. So Learndash WooCommerce integration, and WooCommerce. In this video I'm using the Kadence blocks, but you can accomplish all this with also Elementor or Breezy or whatever page builder you're using. And the solution I'm gonna show you doesn't depend on the theme you're using. Now, since we already have a course, we need to create a product. I already created a product here. Under the product data I chose your course, and I assigned the Learndash courses here. I can select more than one course, but since I have only one, I'm gonna choose one. Now take a look. Since I have 3 pricing plans, basic, premium and gold, I need to add 2 other products. What's the difference between those? They all offer one course, but premium plan has something additional to offer, for example, support and personal tutoring or something like that. And the gold package has something else added. So one course, 3 packages. Now I'm gonna go to all products again, and I'm just gonna duplicate this one. Give it a title, Web Design Course Pro, price 119. And since I don't want the Google to index this page, I'm gonna deactivate the indexing. I'm using the rank math, so no index, no follow. And publish. And now I'm gonna create one more course, duplicate one more time, and I'm gonna name it Gold. Pricing 159. Learndash course is selected. No index, no follow, and publish. Let's open up all the products here. What you see here while you hover your mouse is product ID. We need those later. Since I want to be this tutorial as short as possible, I'm not gonna show you how to create a landing page. You can make it as you want. But what did I do? I created a row section here below with a Kadence blocks. Open up advanced. I gave a HTML anchor sign up, and if I click on this button, it will take me to this row. Since I added button link sign up here and here, as you see, sign up, same link is here. For this section here, I gave a HTML anchor design matters and link to this button. How can we make the sign up button work in a way that it will add the product to the cart and redirect to the checkout page? First thing you need to do is you have to write down this product idea for this basic course. It's 463. Now link your button in a way like it is here. Checkout, add to cart, and product ID number goes here. Now let's link this one. The product ID is 534. And next one, the ID is 535. So update and let's review. Get started, scrolls down, sign up, works. Let's go back, test this button, added this course here. Let's try one more time with the gold package. Sign up. And also this one has added to the cart and redirected to the right place. So as you saw, it wasn't too difficult to accomplish. And therefore, if you find this tutorial helpful, press thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and you will be the first to be notified about new tutorials. Meanwhile, take care.